Hi guys, welcome to another section on Colossal Mathematics class, polynomial. Alright, today we'll be talking about division of polynomial. Now, under this division of polynomial, there is a certain thing you need to understand. The division of polynomial is like the normal long division method we were being told in our primary school, which is the divisor will be here, the dividend to be here, our quotient, and our remainder is here. So under this division of polynomial, we are going to be making use of four different signs, which will be the major thing we are going to be using. And that is the first sign we are going to be using is the division sign. The division sign. Then we are going to multiply. After you multiply, then you are going to subtract. Then after that, you bring down the other values. So this division will affect only one variable. The multiplication will affect all the variable in the divisor. The subtraction will affect every value under the dividend, and then the bring down will be the remaining value you are going to drop down after you divide, you multiply, and subtract. All right. So let's see the first example. So we have our example one here. We want to divide 2x cubed plus 10x squared minus 3x plus 1 by x plus 3. So this is our dividend, this is our divisor. All right. So the first thing you do is to have it this way. So our dividend will be here, which is what? X plus 3. I mean our divisor x plus 3. Our dividend is what? 2x cubed plus 10x squared minus 3x plus 1. So we are going to be making use of this four sign, which is division, multiplication, subtraction, and then the bringing down process. All right, so watch as I go. X goes in 2x cubed. It will remain 2x squared, because x will cancel one x, it will remain 2x squared. So I've done division. 2x squared times x will give me what? 2x cubed. Don't forget I said multiplication will affect what? Everything. So after that, 2x squared times 3 will give you what? 6x squared. After that, subtraction. Subtract. This will become 0. 10x squared minus 6x cubed will give you what? Plus 4x squared. Then bring this one down, minus 3x, bring this one down, plus 1. Do you understand the process now? So this one is out. So we go again. X in 4x squared plus 4x. Alright? 4x times 4x. 4x times x will give me what? 4x squared. 4x times 3 will give me what? Plus 12x. Alright? So that's all. Minus. This will cancel this, so it becomes 0. Minus 3, minus times plus, minus. Minus 3 minus 12 will give me what? Minus 15x. Then bring 1 down, so plus 1. Are you getting the process now? So you go again. X in minus 15x will give you what? Minus 15. Minus 15 times x, minus 15x. Minus 15 times 3 will give you what? Minus 45. So you add minus again. Minus 15, minus times minus, plus. Minus 15 plus 15, 0. Minus times minus, plus. Plus 1 plus 45 will give us what? Plus 46. That means our remainder is what? Our remainder is what? 46. Alright? So our quotient here is what? 2x squared plus 4x minus 15. So our dividend, now I want you to check something. Our dividend is equals to quotient, divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. So if you do your divisor times this plus this, it will give you what? The dividends we have here. All right, or it will give you the polynomial. So if you don't want to call it dividend, you can call it polynomial. All right, so that is how this long method of polynomial is being done. So let's check the second example before we wrap up for today. So to the second example, we want to divide x raised to power 4 minus 2x squared plus 3x minus 6 by x squared minus 4x plus 3. Now I want you to note something, that the degree, the highest power of the polynomial you are given will always be higher than the power of the divisor. So comment on the comment section that the degree of the remainder is always lesser than the degree of the divisor. I mean, the degree of the dividend is always greater than the degree of the divisor. Or you say the degree of the divisor is always less than the degree of the dividend. So comment that on the comment section to be able to qualify for the giveaway. All right, so let's see the solution. So our divisor, which is what? X squared minus 4x plus 3, to divide x raised to power 4 minus 2x squared plus 3x minus 6. So x squared in x raised to power 4 will give us x raised to power 2. X raised to power 2 times x raised to power 2 will give us x raised to power 4. X raised to power 2 times minus 4x raised to power x, now will give us what? Minus 4x cubed. X raised to power 2 times 3x will give us what? Plus 3x squared. Abi? All over. X raised to power 4 will become 0. Now, look at this one. This is power 2, this is power 3. So this power 3 is not having anything, Abi. So that will be what? Minus 4x raised to power 3. Minus 2x squared. You know, minus is here. So minus times minus will give me plus f. So minus times plus will give me minus. Minus 2 minus 3 will give me what? Minus 5x squared. Then drop 3x and drop 6. Alright, so let's go again. X squared in 4x cubed. That will give me what? X. So this is what? Plus, it will give me 4x, Abi, plus 4x. 4x times x squared will give me what? 4x cubed. 4x times minus 4x will give me what? Minus 16x squared. 4x times 3 will give me what? Plus 12x. Alright, so minus. This one will cancel this. So that's all. Minus times minus plus. Minus 5x square plus 16x, that will give me what? Plus 11x square. Then 3x minus 12x will give me what? Minus 9x. Then drop 6, so that's minus 6. Alright, so let's do this together now. X square in 11x square. X square in 11x square will give me what? Plus 11. X squared times 11x will give me 11, sorry, x squared times 11 will give me 11x squared also. Don't worry, I will put this down here again. X squared times this will give me 11x squared. Then 11 times 4 will give me minus 44, minus 44x. 11 times 3 will give me what? Plus 33. So if you subtract that together, if you add minus, don't forget you have 11x squared minus 9x minus 6. So if you are subtracting that now, that gives us 0 here. This will become plus. So 9 minus 9 plus 44 will give me 35x. So this will give me 35x. Then minus 6 minus 33 will give me what? Minus 39. Alright, now if you look at something here, you will see that our divisor is what? X squared. And now under our dividends we have x, and x squared cannot go in x, so automatically this is our remainder. So automatically this is our what? our remainder, because x square cannot go in x, it is not possible. So because of that, this will be our remainder. And I'm sure we understand the process of long division polynomial method. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, and always share this video.